So guys, I feel like to shoot in early morning because this is a very good day. After so many warmer days, after many hottest days, the rain is came, and it might make us comfortable and feeling great in our life journey because of so many hottest days. It feels like very burnout inside and outside because whole day long I was sweating, and so many creatures also feeling very warmer days. The Titari is over there. If I found that there is a bird, if you can see over there, sitting in the field. They are enjoying rain, and also the pair of birds is searching food to feed their childrens. They put their children in those trees and they find their food from our field, our rice field. So I feel like my place just a wow, and I feel like spending my whole life in this place because this is the view like a farm, and I do not have to rush about buying a farm because I already have. I only have to do the basic parts, that I could do plantation in my field, and I could plant some flower plants. They will give me lots of flowers, and if I can put some palm trees and khajur trees on my field's front, it could have give me over there. The road is only for us. There was a link road, and the kachi sadak was over there is for to us. I have so many YouTube influencers channel subscribed from United States. I did not try to watch India's influencers because I want to learn something new in my speaking journey, my English learning is speaking journey, because I want to be a native English speaker in other ways. In India, we have so many influencers, and we have so many YouTubers that are good as much as foreigners, or maybe very good, but I do not feel like to watch him because YouTube algorithm just working like a shit nowadays, and it took me take time to find something new and about learning new things, because the YouTube algorithm is just sending me like a shits videos and bakwas videos. If I used to watch India's YouTube channels, so I decide not to watch India's YouTube videos to avoid shit videos and the bakwas videos. So I decide to watch in United States influencers, and outside India I can watch an influencer that could help me to find my purpose of life, to be a native English speaker, and that influencer could give me some psychological tips and some successful people's how tips how to get succeed in life. So there is going a train over there. This view is just reminding me like a movie, and I feel very gratitude toward the universe that God sent me in this village, because there is no polluted air, there is no pollution as much as in other villages, and there is quite population, and I feel just wow living here. And I feel proud when I used to think that I have farm already and I don't need to buy it again, because it is my inheritance property that I am acquiring nowadays. I am just thinking to ask my parents to gift me this property to open a dog shelter, and I want to make a gurudwara over there for the peoples who is living without praying in the gurudwara. I just asked to Vaheguru that if it can help us to make the gurudwara over there. And this property belongs to me and my sister. The field over there and the field over there, and my big house that is spreading in 2.5 bigha something, and we have a mango tree and we have also gulad tree, and the eucalyptus and the simmal tree and the poplar tree over there. This is the coal pilkan, and this is also a peripheral, and this is also a simmal tree over there. I feel like to thank God that He gives me this beautiful place to live. So thank you, God, again and again for sending me to live here. So guys, this is the practice session of my and I can say also yours, because we are just in our early days of practicing English, because this is only our 28 days, and we might lack to do practice daily in those days. So don't worry about hesitating and running out of English sentences and words, because as much as we learn and speak daily in front of the camera, we could get more fluency on daily basis. So guys, never ever quit your practice, and this is compulsory that you speak for 10 minutes minimum a day. That could help you find fluency. So thank you, bye bye guys, thanks for having me, and I also thank you guys for watching and practicing, because within a year, in next rainy session, I will not be like nowadays, because I am getting closer to my dream life and to my dream success, and I just pray for you same, that you could find your purpose to live life, and you should be successful in life. Thank you, Vaheguru. Thank you, all of you guys. Thank you so much for having me.